Good morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 7th maths, and today's our chapter is integer. Now we have started our revision portion because our chapter 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th is finished, and chapter 9 and chapter 12 is also finished. Okay, so first of all we revise it and do revision with me, and again if you have any doubt tell me on WhatsApp. Okay, now let's start the revision. This chapter name is integer. Chapter name is integer. Now before we start what is integer, first of all I will talk about you something about numbers. Okay, numbers is basic thing in mathematics. Okay, when we start any counting we start from 1. Always we start counting from 1. Okay, so and when you go to school and roll number is started from 1. Okay, each and every counting you start from 1. Okay, so when the number is started from 1 and go infinitely means that the number is countless. Okay, so this type of number is called natural number. And it is denoted by capital N. Okay, so why I talking about you, because this is the basic of mathematics, and if you know this then you easily learn what is integer. Okay, now if we talk about whole number, in 6th standard you have learned what is whole number. If we add 0 from natural number it become a whole number. Okay, and it is denoted by capital W. If you talk which is smallest natural number, the smallest natural number is 1. Okay, and what is smallest whole number? The smallest whole number is 0. Okay, understand? So this type you have learned what is a whole number and what is natural number. Now the third type of number, that is integer. What is integer? See the new type of number and what is need of integer. Let's see what is need of integer. Okay,
Temperature. It's a hot sunny day. The temperature has shot up to 40 degrees Celsius. Wow, it's raining. The weather has become so cool. The temperature has come down to 15 degrees Celsius. What would be the temperature now? How would the scale show it? 0 degrees Celsius is the 0 degrees Celsius. This is shown as a negative number with a minus sign, like minus 10 degrees Celsius. Have you noticed the water scale in the dam water? It shows you the reading for the water level in the dam at any given time. Water is receding in the dam and water level is going below 0. What would be the water level below 0? The water level below 0 is shown by negative numbers starting from -1, -2 and so on so forth. The car starts from its initial position, which we mark as 0. The car travels east 5 kilometers and then travels west 7 kilometers. The car went forward and then moved backwards in the same direction. How would you represent the distance of the car from the initial position? The car started from point 0 and moved 5 kilometers forward. Then it turned and started moving towards the same point from where it had started. After traveling for 5 kilometers, it comes at point 0 again. This is the same position from where the car had started. From this position, the car then continues to move backwards for an additional 2 kilometers. Looking at the picture, we can clearly see that the car is 2 kilometers from its original position. Sam and Jack love the seashore. Traveling in a balloon is Sam's favorite sport and Jack loves water diving. Sam's balloon is at a distance of 500 meters above sea level. Jack is diving and he is 1100 meters below sea level. How would you represent the altitude of the balloon and the depth of the underwater diver? Sea level is marked as 0. Balloon is plus 500 meters from the sea level and the underwater diver is minus 1100 meters from the sea level. Numbers less than 0 with a minus sign attached to the number are called negative numbers. We are very familiar with natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Including a 0 to natural numbers gives us the set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, we know that there are negative numbers like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. When the negative numbers and the whole numbers are put together, the new collection of numbers is called integers.
So, students, you see how we need to negative number. Okay, when we measure to underwater level and when we measure to minus temperature, okay, in winter, it's obvious there is minus temperature also. If you see the television and see the weather information, it's having a negative temperature also. Okay, so we need the number, new type of a number, that is called integer. And what is the definition of integer? The definition of integer, so the definition, collection of negative number with positive number is called integer. And what about 0? 0 neither negative nor positive. Okay, see this temperature measuring. Okay, so if you see this is like a number line. Okay, you are familiar with number line. Okay, so this is like a number line. Okay, see this number line there, in right hand side it is always a positive numbers. Okay, मीन्स 0 के राइट हैंड साइड पर आपको पॉजिटिव नंबर मिलेंगे एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर आपको नेगेटिव नंबर मिलेंगे. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज़ योर नंबर लाइन. ऑल्सो सी if this is your ground floor and this is your floors. So see, if below the ground floor you counted with negative numbers and above the ground floor you counted positive number. Okay, understand? Okay, which of the two position A and B is higher from? So B is higher than A. Okay, understand? So student, what is integer? Integer is the combination of negative number plus whole number, the collection of whole number and negative number together, that is minus sign and plus sign are called integer. Okay, if you see this number line, see the number line carefully, 0 in between, and positive number is always on right hand side and negative number is always on left hand side. Okay, understand? One more thing, all the integers, when we write the integers, the distance between 0 and 1 and 0 and minus 1 will be same, and 1 and 2, 2 and 3 will be same. All the distance will be same on the number line. You know na, the number line represent negative number on left hand side and positive number on right hand side. When we move 2 point on right side, okay, if we move 2 point right side and we move 5 point left to 0, if we move left to 0, then there is smaller number. When we go for left side, it's always smaller, and when we go for right side, it's always greater number. Okay, 0 is less than 5. Understand? And 0 is greater than minus 2. Okay, so smallest negative number is smallest, there is greatest negative number is minus 1. Okay, minus 7 is less than minus 2. The number line, the bigger number are placed right and smallest at the left. Okay, understand? How to add the addition of the integer? When we want to add two integer, let's take one example. A boy is riding a ladder. Staircase, he goes 6 stairs up from the ground and halt for a while, then goes for 4 more stairs. So it becomes 6 plus 4, that is 10. So okay, so solution is, answer is 10. Okay, now this type you have to add the integers. Okay, now addition of two negative integer. If you want to add two negative integers in a game, you have to pick up any two pieces of paper on which a number is written. You have to add the numbers written on these two paper. Okay, suppose you get minus 2 and minus 5. What is the result of addition of these two numbers? So minus 2 plus minus 5, if you get common the minus sign, so you have to get 2 plus 5, that is minus 7. Understand? So this type you have to write add two integers. Okay, one more. Suppose the above game you get the numbers plus 5 and second number is minus 9 on the slip. What is the sum? So plus 5 plus minus 9. 9 is greater than C. If we talk about absolute value, then always 9 is greater than 5. Okay. Addition of integer on a number line. If you want, so first 5 plus first she stair up 6 and then 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay. Now our second example. If we go for second example, minus 5 and minus 4. Okay. So first we go minus 5 and then minus. When we go for minus, so we go for left hand side. So it become minus 9. Okay. Understand? When we go for plus, we go for right hand side, and when we do minus, we go for left hand side. Okay, always remember. So it's become minus 9. Now our third example. An ant is moving on a number line. It moves 6 point right from 0 and then come 2 point back where it is represent. Means 6.6 minus 2, that is 4. They see having 4 point. Okay. One more. If the sum and same ant move 6 point left and 4 point to the right, then so it having minus 2. Okay. Why? 6 then 4 plus 4, so it having minus 2. Okay. Now what about additive inverse? Suppose the ant walk 3 point towards right side plus 3 of 0 and walk back 3 point towards the 0. So it comes 2 plus minus 2, that is 0. Minus 2 is the additive inverse of plus 2. Okay. It's called additive inverse. Okay, it's called additive inverse of any number. Means if you tell about what is additive inverse of plus 2, it's minus 2, and what is additive inverse of minus 2, it's a plus 2. Okay, understand? So student, we have learned what is integer. Integer is a combination of whole number and negative number. It's called integer and it is denoted by capital Z. And in some book you have you see capital I also. Okay, so it is represented by capital Z or capital I. Okay, and you in how many how to denote any number integer in number line we see. Okay, now one more thing. If we want to add a positive integer, we move to the right. Okay, if we add any positive integer, so we move right. Add a negative integer, we move to the left. Subtract a positive integer, again we move to the left, and subtract a negative integer, we move to the right. Understand? Okay. Now state whether the following statement are correct or incorrect. When two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. Yes, it's correct. Okay. See here, आप इसको इस टाइप से भी समझ सकते हैं. देयर आर टू साइंस. ओके, इफ द साइन आर सेम मीन्स both are plus, then you get plus. Means the sign are like, then you get always plus. If both are minus, you get plus. Means operation become positive and operation आपका होगा plus. जैसे हमने किया था -5 plus -4. Both the numbers are negative. Both the numbers are negative. So our answer is -9. Okay. मीन्स हमने हमने माइनस साइन कॉमन लिया, अंदर बचा 5 + 4, सो इट बिकम -9. ओके, मीन्स ऑपरेशन तो प्लस ही हुआ, सम किया हमने, ऑपरेशन हमने सम किया, बट साइन कौन सा आया? जो बिगर नंबर के साथ में था. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, सो दिस टाइप यू हैव टू सॉल्व एडिशन ऑफ अ इंटीजर. व्हाट इज एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ a? If I talk about what is additive inverse of a, it's -a. Or what is additive inverse of -a? It's a. Means and how to you prove it? See, अगर आपको उसमें थोड़ा डाउट है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, दोनों को ऐड करके देख सकते हो. अगर आपका आंसर 0 है देन योर आंसर विल बी राइट. ओके, मीन्स +2 -2 इज इक्वल टू 0, +3 -3 इज इक्वल टू 0. मीन्स कोई भी नंबर है उसका एडिटिव इन्वर्स आपको खाली साइन चेंज करना है. ओके, दैट इज एडिटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ दैट नंबर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ वी डन एक्सरसाइज 1.1 and now properties. What is closure property? What is closure property of integer? When we add two integer, then we get an integer. This is called closure property of addition in integer. Okay, closure under addition means integer are closed under addition. If you add two integer, you get an integer. It's called closure under addition. Means integer are closed under addition. Okay, see, if you add two integer, you get an integer. Integer are closed under addition for any two integer a and b. A plus b is an integer. Always you get an integer. Closure under subtraction. If you subtract two integer, if a and b are two integer, then a minus b is also integer. Okay, understand? Do the whole number satisfy this property? Whole number is not satisfy closure property, but integer are satisfied closure property. Okay, understand? Now commutative. What is commutative property? When two numbers are added and then you change the order of the number. Means if you add 3 + 5 and you change the order, means 3 + 5 को आपने क्या किया, 5 + 3 कर दिया, तो क्या आपका आंसर चेंज होगा? नो, आंसर बिकम सेम. सो that is a commutative property. When you add two numbers and then change the order of the number, the answer becomes same. Okay, so when you add two integer and then change the order of the integer, answer always same. So you can say that integer are closed under addition. Okay, integer are closed under addition. Now subtraction. In subtraction, if you add 5, if you subtract two numbers, two integers, 5 minus 3 and 3 minus 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, but 3 minus 5 is -2. Understand? So integer are not commutative under subtraction. Okay, understand? Okay, integer are not commutative under subtraction. Okay, students, what is associative property? If you take three numbers and then add three numbers, फर्स्ट आप तीनों नंबर को एक साथ तो ऐड नहीं करोगे. ओके, सो पहले आप कोई दो नंबर को ऐड करोगे, जो आंसर आएगा उसमें तीसरा नंबर ऐड करोगे. ओके, सो व्हाट इज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी? व्हेन यू ऐड थ्री नंबर्स एंड देन चेंज द ग्रुप ऑफ द नंबर, मीन्स आपने जो दो नंबर ऐड करे हैं उसके अलावा कोई दूसरे दो नंबर ऐड करेंगे. जैसे a प्लस बी प्लस सी है, तो पहले आपने a प्लस बी किया. सी ईयर a प्लस बी प्लस सी है, तीन नंबर हैं, तो आपने पहले b प्लस सी करा, उसके बाद में आपने a प्लस बी किया, तो आपका आंसर सेम होगा या नहीं? अगर आप 2 प्लस 3 प्लस 5 करते हैं तो 3 प्लस 5 8 एंड देन 2 प्लस करेंगे तो आपका 10 आने वाला है. और अगर आप 2 प्लस 3 करेंगे 5 प्लस 5 10, आंसर तो आपका सेम ही रहने वाला है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो इंटीजर आर एसोसिएटिव अंडर एडिशन. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? Now what is additive identity? Additive identity is 0. Additive identity of whole number is 0 and additive identity of integer is also 0. Understand? Means if you add 0 to any number, the number becomes same. Means उसका जो नंबर है, अगर आप 2 में 0 ऐड करेंगे तो नंबर 2 ही रहेगा, 3 में 0 ऐड करेंगे तो नंबर 3 ही रहने वाला है, नंबर चेंज नहीं होता है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो इट्स कॉल्ड एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. मतलब ऐसा नंबर जिसको आप ऐड करने पर वो नंबर चेंज नहीं होता है, डेट इज़ कॉल्ड एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. नाउ लेट्स सी मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंटीजर. सेम प्रॉपर्टीज आर देयर. मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड ए नेगेटिव इंटीजर. इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई टू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, सेम हियर, सी इफ़ देयर आर लाइक साइन, मीन्स प्लस इंटू प्लस करते हैं तो आपका आंसर प्लस आता है, माइनस इंटू माइनस करते हैं तो भी आपका आंसर प्लस आता है. मीन्स इफ़ देयर इज़ लाइक साइन योर आंसर विल बी सेम, एंड इफ़ देयर इज़ अनलाइक साइन आंसर ऑलवेज माइनस. ओके, if you multiply unlike sign then you get negative sign, or if you add two positive or two negative number you will get always positive integer. Okay, understand? Now what is commutative property or closure property? Here same thing is given. Multiplication of two negative integer. If you multiply two negative integer means like sign, so you get always positive integer. Okay, understand? Now student, you can multiply this table also. Okay, let's do. Okay, now product of three or more negative integer means that there is associative property. Okay, so if we talk about closure property of a multiplication, integers are closed under multiplication. If you multiply two integer then you get an integer, it is called closure. It is called closure property of multiplication. Means integer are closed under multiplication. Okay, means a, if you multiply two integer a into b you get an integer. Okay, understand? Now what is commutative property? If you multiply two numbers, two integer and then change the order of integer, the number becomes same. Means a into b is equal to b into a. 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 into 2 is also 6. Understand? So this is commutative property of integer. Means integer are commutative for multiplication. Okay, and multiplication by 0, if you multiply by 0 it's always 0. Okay, it's called zero property of, okay, property of 0. Understand? Multiplicative identity. What is multiplicative identity? विच इज़ द नंबर, ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने पर नंबर की आइडेंटिटी चेंज नहीं होती है, मीन्स नंबर बिकम सेम. सो इट्स अ 1. इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई 2 into 1, it is 2. If you multiply 3 into 1, it's 3. Okay, so multiplicative identity is 1. So you can say that a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. 0 is additive identity, where 1 is multiplicative identity for integer. Okay, and we get additive inverse of integer, an integer when we multiply. Okay, a into minus 1 into a is equal to minus a. Understand? So that is. And what is associative property? When we multiply three numbers and then change the order of the number, change the group of the number, the answer becomes same, means a into b, then it multiply by c. And second thing, आप RHS में a into b into c करेंगे तो आपका आंसर सेम रहेगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ थ्री इंटीजर डज नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन द grouping of integer, and this is called associative property of multiplication of integer. Okay, this is called associative property of multiplication of integer. What about distributive property? Do you know what is distributive property? Yes, if a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Okay, means if we the sum of two numbers, integers, multiply by same number, then the answer becomes same. Okay, understand? Okay, so this is your distributive property. And same here, a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. Okay, understand? This property help you to making multiplication easier. Suppose here the question is 25 into 37 into 4. So you know minus 25 into 37 into 4, आपको पहले 25 को 37 में मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा, फिर आपको 4 में मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. बट इफ़ यू नो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इंटीजर, सो व्हाट कैन यू डू? यू कैन फर्स्ट यूजिंग कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. मीन्स आप क्या करोगे, इसका ग्रुप बना लोगे. कैसा ग्रुप बनाओगे? ये आपको क्वेश्चन इस क्या करना पड़ा, 25 इंटू 37 करना पड़ा, फिर आपका ये आंसर आया और ये आपको क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा हार्ड हो गया. ओके, नाउ what can you do? If you know the properties, so first of all you have to use commutative property. आपने क्या किया, ऑर्डर चेंज कर दिया उसका. मीन्स 25 इंटू माइनस 25 इंटू 37 इंटू 4 को आपने चेंज कर दिया माइनस 25 इंटू 4 इंटू 37. एंड यू नो माइनस 25 इंटू 4 इज़ 100. Okay, so it become minus 100. So your answer is you find the answer is very easy way. Okay, understand? I hope you have completed, you are understand, and have a good day.